And the pretty fishing American flag shirt cakes during festivals such as this one will perhaps be the perfect way of bringing joy and happiness to your loved ones. 3. You have brought happiness to my days and filled my heart with so much love. Having a flair in fashion does not have to be a woman thing these days. This Christmas season, especially that is winter, poses some challenges for men on their fashion choices. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is Magic Kingdom's holiday special event in November and December at Walt Disney World. Another cultural holiday celebrated during the winter months is Kwanzaa, which is an African American holiday commemorating the struggles and victories of the Pan-African peoples. 3. Another great holiday business greeting card is a calendar card, wishing you a great Christmas and a wonderful beginning of a new year. Happy Christmas to you. Pretty fishing American flag shirt, hoodie, sweater, ladies tee, long sleeved, ladies tee, hoodie, sweater. May you celebrate Christmas full of pretty fishing American flag shirts. Cheer. With love, may this other product